Hey guys, what is up? I'm Violet2000 and today I'm back to doing some more Roblox. So this is a new game I'm going to be showing off called Natural Disaster Survival. This is pretty fun. I highly recommend. Well, first of all, this game sounds like exactly what it is. Yep. Yes, you are surviving natural disasters in certain maps that it spawns. And I highly suggest getting the red apple and the green balloon if you want to survive. Very useful. Whoa, oh no, that's not a good sign. I want to get high. Oh, oh, earthquake. Oh my gosh, really? No! What? Ugh. Why did I have to go in there? Red apples are good because they can restore your HP, and green balloons you can jump really high and far. Just 80 Robux for apple, and just 80 Robux for that one too. Whee. Power up! Ah, dang it. No. What's the next map gonna be? Oh, yeah, see that? Kinda wanna be careful. Don't worry, if you die, you will not lose your stuff. That would be kind of a rip-off if you lost your green balloon and red apple. And or red apple if you died. While I'm at it, I'm gonna try to name some natural disasters. There's tornadoes, tsunamis, volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, acid rain. I don't really know much. Fire. That guy just. And once it tells you the new map, I've never played this map. Once it tells you the new map, you do not want to jump off. Because I believe it will count as you dying. Okay, I don't know what to do, so I'm just gonna stay in the bottom floor area. Oh, you can also left click if you don't want to hit the space bar to jump. Oh, sandstorm. Look at me. Okay, sandstorm. You don't want to dodge flying objects for this. So get outside. The sandstorm itself can't hurt you. The flying objects are what are meant to hurt you. The green balloon is good for this one. Just continuously jump. And if you, for some reason, you get hit, start eating the red apple. Like, what you want to do, do this, go switch, do this. Yeah, that is really overpowered. Your red apple regenerates instantly, making it practically impossible for you to die. Yeah, normally it has to, oh, whoa. What the? How was I supposed to seriously? Okay, so the thing is about this game that, yes, it is actually kind of hard. And wow, I didn't even know it was like this. I should still had Builders Club, and I think it expired. There's a lot of survivors of that one. Huh. Actually, not much of a surprise. And if you have 100 Robux, you can go over here, power up the thing, and you can get multi-disasters. And that is exactly what it sounds like. Multiple disasters at once. Arch Park. Man, this one poor. I got a fire in this one. And you... Fire's pretty easy in this one. In open areas with not too many structures, fire is good. It's really easy to survive. Wonder what it's gonna be. Volcanic eruption, you can tell like instantly because the volcano is going to spawn very quickly. What is it? What is that thing in the distance? Oh. Oh, it must be some sort of tower, I guess. That's just there. Hey, hey, hey. Windwell's thing ever. Come on, I'm waiting to hear it. What's the disaster? This isn't Sandstorm because it would have started by now. Oh, okay, volcanic eruption. Can't believe I didn't see that. This is very easy if you have a green balloon, just like the Sandstorm. I mean, it looks crazy, but I mean, yes, but it's actually not very hard. Just stay away from this. I mean, if for some awkward reason one does come towards you, then it's not very likely to hit you. As long as you try to have your green balloon ready, that is going to the thing about the volcanic eruption is it lasts forever. Oh, you don't want to touch things at all. Even if like one is already landed, then yeah, you still don't want to touch it. It's still extremely risky, and you can still take a lot of damage. In fact, I honestly don't think there's a way to not take it. I don't think there's a way not to die without touching it. This is kind of the most destructive. Earthquake's probably destructive. Acid rain is probably the least destructive. Yep, easy. Raving Raceway. Oh, I don't... this one's fine, I guess. You can actually, literally get in these things, so it's kind of interesting. I hear wind. Okay, this is either acid rain or the tornado. I've done acid rain on this one before, so it's nothing really new to me. In fact, I believe the acid rain is the only one I ever did on this one. Okay, this is definitely acid rain. Want to get over here if it's acid rain. Right in here. Yep. Acid rain. An acid rain can slowly break down roof, so you have to still be ready to move. You can't just sit there. You can't get into a spot. Don't get into a spot that you can't get out of, because it's most likely to come over and destroy you. Hey, get out of there, or you'll get crushed. Very safe spot. Put away your green balloon right here. But very safe spot. It's annoying to get out of there, so don't go in there. But you're safe. And by the way, if the roof turns black, get out of the area. Black means it's about to fall. And gray means it's taking a lot of damage. Green also is... Come on. Go away, rain, rain, go away, comes back another day. Oh, dude, if only that guy had a red apple. Oh, this might collapse soon. If it does, it's going to be tricky. It's going to collapse. Oh, yes! There's what it looks like afterwards. Not changed too super much. It still looks like a decent raceway. Except some of the cars are kind of messed up and there's obstacles that weren't there before. But that's all, literally. Arch Park, this one again. Okay. Completely missed that. Dang it. Hey, oh my, dude. Okay, still got there. I'm just gonna sit on top of a tree. It's the safest spot in the map. Okay, no, I'm probably not gonna do that. I'm gonna get up on the arch. I mean, it's not a very good idea, but if as soon as the disaster spawns, I'm gonna be like jumping off. Well, it's depending on what it is. Probably it's going to be something I will jump off. Please don't say it's a blizzard, because meteor shower. Oh boy. Yes, arch is not a good one to dodge that. Meteor shower. Everyone's crowding in the hot dog stand. Oh boy. No! Wait, what the heck? Wait, oh boy. Did I get hit by a meteor? Is that what happened there? That was weird. It's also kind of funny, but... What was that? I guess I did get hit by a meteor. Makes sense, but... It could happen to, you know, insure blocks. Hurricane insurance. Oh, yo, compass pass. Yeah. I don't even know what this is. Vote for next. Oh, I can vote for next location. This is interesting. I like this. Okay. Surf Central is what I want next. Actually, Sunny Ridge. Because we're all actually do Sunny Ridge. Whoa! Did not mean to do that. Did that guy just... Weirdo. As a result of Arch Park. Sunny Ridge! Yes! I've experienced with this one. I did this in a sandstorm. Even though I didn't survive, I still know all the good spots now. So you want it carefully. Yeah. And... Whoa. Okay, this is a bad idea. I'm getting inside. This is so acid rain. If this isn't acid rain, I'll be crazy. I'll go crazy. This is probably gonna be a tornado. Just watch this be a tornado. That's literally what it is going to be. I just know it. Ooh! Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Uh-oh. It was not a good idea. That was actually surprisingly easy. Kind of short too. Huh. Roof completely annihilated. Hallelujah. Blech. Trail park. Yes. Wait. If am I seriously maybe I'm the only one in this entire thing who has a golden compass? And if that's true, then that means that I literally pick the next map. That's overpowered. When I get up to the top, I'll see what options I have. Sky Tower, Coastal Quick Stop, Surf Central. What is this gonna be, anyways? Meteor shower. Dang it. Wait, why did I take damage? Oh, whatever. I'm gonna steal. No, I'm good. This house looks pretty untouched. That could be good and that also could be bad. I'm not sure. Wow. That's crazy out there. Get in, dude. I would not want to experience any of these natural disasters in real life, and I'm sure most of you wouldn't either. Oh, whoa. That's not a good sign. Roof kit. Oh my gosh. What happened to the wall? Whoa, dude. It's crazy. Oh, okay, there was even more survivors on that than there was in the other one. That's interesting. Boy, I had the Robux to show you guys the multi-disaster. Oh my gosh, how are people still there? Surf Central. I've never betted this map. It looks pretty cool. I think I'm gonna go up here. Nice little umbrella. Can you actually land on this umbrella, or do you just go through it? You can land on it. Interesting. That means it's actually a solid roof. Looks like people like the surf shop. Lifeguards up here. Oh, lifeguard just jumped down. This reminds me of Gary when we kid. Oh gosh. Soak Central and that. What? How was that? That's not even. What? I don't know what's happening. What's happening? What am I doing? This is it. This is crazy. I'm stuck in the ground. I'm just gonna sit here and heal. This is so crazy. Okay, I am done. Where am I? What was that? I mean, how was I supposed to stop that from happening? Did you honestly see that? It was like, it's not even fair. I mean, oh my gosh. I mean, there isn't even anything left to go flying. This is crazy. Next location. I don't like Launchland. Actually, okay. If I get Launchland again, I'm gonna. Yes. Okay. Launchland. Good. Because I know everyone is going to literally jump in the rocket, but they don't know. There's something that they don't know. If you go in the rocket, it'll actually just kill you. So you don't want to go in it. I mean, there's a button that literally allows you to launch it. Oh, sandstorm. Oh, great. Ow. Launchland may be a little hard against the sandstorm. So I'm going to try to heal as much as possible. What was... How does this happen? This game is so glitchy. Send me flying. What are the next options? Lucky Mart? Never been there. I'm waiting to see the rocket. Oh, you can't even do the rocket anymore because the sends were broken. This is amazing. The people are in the rocket like, hit the button, hit the button. Nope. Hit me with it. Oh my gosh, it actually hit me with the thing while I was jumping down. Joke. That's all that was left of the legendary sandstorm. That too. We aren't no heroes, but just pretend, That together we can always defend, We ain't no heroes, but just pretend, That together we can always defend, Sorry, I just have that song stuck in my head. Wow, I've never played this map, but I think it's kind of cool. Wait, how do I go back here? Oh. So I literally just jump in. Okay. Hey. I'm the person who works here. Hey people, would you like to buy one of my red apples? They heal you. They're awesome. And unlike at the station, these ones are only 20 Robux. Side. To the back of the area. What? What's the next maps? The same one again. Oh, that's a cool little feature. I never even knew that guy actually. Oh no, my going compass sank to the bottom of the ocean. No, I did that. Oh, this was smart. Oh my gosh. Is this legitimately that? Why does my mouse change color when I'm not even when I'm not holding an item? That's weird. Please. Okay, I think I'm the only one in the map who has a golden compass. And everyone knows that, I guess. High school. Okay, let's enter. What's the time right now? 1:15. Not the time in my time zone. In my time zone, it is 4:14. 4:14, and this is 1:15. 3 hours off. We definitely are not in the same time zone. Happy home. Ooh, fire. Where's the fire? That's the thing about the fire. Like, you can't really see it. You just have to, like, know. Where is it? Oh, I see it. That's interesting. Okay, it's on the top floor spreading down to the bottom area. Top floor is... I mean, if you're on the right side, it looks like it'd be safe, but... If you're on this side over here... Okay, never mind. Yeah, you should definitely get outside. Wait a minute. Maybe I can... Nope, there's fire up here. Okay. Nope, 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 nopity nope. Oh, and by the way, don't go off this area because that dirt is actually fake. You can fall through it and die, so don't do that. The high school is pretty much done for. High school is just completely being torn apart. Just like, look at this. This is not what an actual fire would do. Easy. Roblox banana. What? Dude, I didn't have no damage, boys. Happy home. Fort indestructible. Well, that's the only option. Literally. So there's not even much of a point. I'm just gonna sit here in the window and wait till I know what the disaster is. Start from the bottom. Hey, your mama drunk the door, B. Turn me to B. Oh boy, meteor shower. I should have. Whoa. Okay. This is going to be fun. Oh boy. This slide area is the only shelter. No, okay. It's too risky. There's like 2 trees. No other shelter. If I survive this, I will freak out. Meteors! Ugh. Everywhere, it's so crazy. The slide area is still standing, wow. Jake Man is the boss, in Cool Pants 2008, it's not a good idea to stay in. Actually, yes it is. It is a good idea to stay in the open. Because if you stay in a shelter, it's no different. It doesn't decrease the chance specifically of a thing hitting you. It just makes it so that yeah, I don't really like that. Fort Indestructible is probably going to be the ending round. Because I can't stay out here for too long. Yes! Jake Man and Cool Pants had the idea. Good work, dudes. I don't even need to. It's weirdness. Don't worry about. Fort Indestructible. There's a chopper. Choppa. That's what people call it. It's called Choppa. Choppa. What is this? Electro thunderstorm! Oh my god! Thunderstorm is literally impossible! Survive this! No! Impossible! Whoa! Where the? Oh, no! That was crazy. Failed. Oh, Coastal Pit. It's the one map I haven't showed off yet. Interesting. Can the thunderstorm actually hit us out here? Okay, I'm just gonna watch this. Watch this destruction. Watch this. So much for Fort Indestructible. It's just got blown to pieces. Gates ruined. Tower ruined. I mean, look at how far that piece went flying. And it's all the way to like here from here. I mean, like, I'm trying to do it on the webcam, and it doesn't even make much sense. So watch the screen and see how far all the way over there. Gosh. Whoa! What the? Oh my gosh. That's so annoying. Small Prince 2017 and 210 or 21010 21010 21010. Oh, very funny. And also, no one cares. It's a horrible joke. Goes to Quick Stop. Yay! I can decide the next map. I get to control the maps. Wow, like literally everyone left this game. So only 4 people. Why does everyone always go for the high places? They're the places they know they aren't gonna survive in. This tree doesn't look right. I'm not gonna go on it. It looks like a fire could start there. It looks dry. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but if there's some weird talking, my parents are watching a show in the background, ignore it, please. Should not be in there. Tsunami. Oh, they had the right idea, I guess. Ow. Wait. Okay. Can you guys turn that down? Can you guys turn that down, please? It's affecting the video. Sorry. Where's the tsunami, anyways? Oh, there it is. It's not even that high. I mean, you could literally survive it if you were up there, see? And we're gonna fall! Hey! Hey! Safe. Bye-bye, tsunami. Oh, okay. I don't want to die because I'm just that greedy. Party Palace. New next map. I was the only survivor of that? Oh, they must have all fallen in the water. Party Palace is probably going to be the final one. Ha! Land of this bacon hare's head. It's also called the pal hair, but I like bacon hair. Party Palace! I mean, look, listen to this music. I'm going on the crazy high jet thing. Okay, this probably was not a good idea. Look at all this. What is this? What's a disaster? Oh boy! Blizzard, that's not nice. Okay. So safe. Class office. Maps. Please reward me for relaxing back in my corner. Even though stuff in here is moving, I don't care. I bet everyone else is gone already. Blizzards are really hard to survive. Not with the red apple. Also called healing. Healing. I don't know. The map has barely even changed. That's the part of Palace. Insure blocks. Glass office. Where we're going next. I don't know what I want to do for this one. I'm gonna stay on the bottom floor. See what to do from there. Okay, you know what? Screw it. I'm just gonna go to the top floor, really. Yes. What is it gonna be? It's not thunderstorm, acid rain, or tornado. Oh, tsunami. Good idea to get up here. See it. Oh my gosh, a ton of people just joined. They're all looking at us. Hopefully no one else has the golden compass. That should be the final one. Please say I can survive this. That's gonna hit. Here it is. Oh, might not want to get all the way back there. And here it is. Wait, did that seriously not even? Oh, here it is. No! Oh boy, that was crazy. Hopefully the thing doesn't fall at me. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna fall, but it can't. I don't think it's gonna fall in my direction. In fact, the tsunami's already over, so there's no way it can. Easy. If this is not the last map, I may be a little mad. Yeah, missed it. Whatever. I don't care. I'll accept it later. I just want a ton of friends. Yes, this one is a lot of electricity-based stuff. And I mean, if this is Tsunami again, I probably want to go up here. Okay, no way am I gonna go up there. Nope, not with what the sides of what are happening. It's going to be something bad. Acid rain, thunderstorm, one of those. Maybe tornado. Okay, looks sky. Yeah, I've already done sky. Nope, thunderstorm. That works. Oh boy. Is there any other shelter in here? Whoa! Okay. There's a little shelter. I mean, I don't see one. I'll be fine surviving, just... I wish you'd give like a quick apple bite if they would. Whoops. That was Will be over soon. Where? Well, thank you. Toy Chica kissed Freddy. What? Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Roblox Natural Disaster Survival. I may do a mix of games and do this, but I won't be doing it too much more. I believe I've shown off all the maps. If I missed any, let me know. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.